So let me show you how to change the lock screen pattern on your Galaxy Z Flip 7. So the current pattern is this, but if you suspect someone knows your pattern or it's been compromised, you can change it to a different pattern. So just go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to lock screen and always on display, tap on that, and then tap on screen lock and biometrics. Enter your current password or pattern, and then tap on pattern. Okay, now it says draw your unlock pattern. So let's set a different pattern. So I'm gonna draw this one, and then tap on continue, and then draw it again, and then tap on confirm, and that's it. That's my new pattern. So I can just tap OK, and now when I use the old pattern, it doesn't work. I need to use the new pattern. And that's basically how to change the lock screen pattern on your Galaxy Z Flip 7. Thanks for watching and good luck.